everybody, I'm Eydie and welcome to Garden of Eydie. I reverse my super high blood pressure eating garden food. No pills, just plants, and you can too. So join me in my garden and join me in my kitchen and we will show you all sorts of fabulous, delicious, healthy recipes that will heal whatever ails you. Hi everybody, it's Eydie. I have a question for you. How much do you love love? I love love. And how much do you care about your heart? It's very important. And today we're going to make the most amazing, delicious mocktail that feeds your heart and your brain and prevents all sorts of crazy things going on in that body of ours. So this is what we're going to make. A sangria mocktail. You guys, it is so delicious and it's so healthy. And I just want to go through the ingredients really quickly to explain why this is so great for us. It contains beet juice. So this is about 3 pounds of beets that I've juiced. You must have a juicer to make this recipe. Or if you can buy it at Whole Foods or something juiced, that's good too. Now beets, you know, they're beet red. when we get beet red from the sun, beet red. This is the kind of beet red that's really good. When you see this deep color, you know it's filled with anthocyanins and polyphenols and antioxidants. And it makes our blood run so fast and thin. It takes nitric oxide to all the tissues and organs and cells of our body. We need those to regenerate. And this oxygenates the entire body. Isn't that amazing? And the other ingredient is this looks like more beet juice, but after I ran the beets, then I ran green apples, that tart, fun, delicious taste. So it's about 2 cups of green apple juice and a ½ cup of lime juice. And before we finish this cha-cha sangria recipe, I also want to talk about not just the foods we feed our heart and our body and our brain, but also what we think about. So if you have kind of like a bad day or not feeling so great, you know, there's a great way to enhance the feeling of your heart of love. And this is what I love to do. I love this technique. You can do it anytime, anywhere, any day. It's fantastic. So first you've got to feel your heart. I like to put both hands on my heart. The minute you feel your heart, there's something happening, some really cool energy. And then you take a really deep breath. Breathe life into that heart. Breathe life into it. Then think of something that you love. Like, is it your pet? Do you love to dance? Is it music, a song that brings you joy? Is it a parent, a spouse, a friend? Just think of something that brings you so much joy that you love so much. It's just you love so much. And let that feeling marinate in your heart. You're cooking your heart with love. And just let it go and let it go. And then let go. Feel that heart emanate from you. Send it out to everyone you know, send it out to everyone you don't know, and send it out to the entire universe. Okay, so let's get back to this fabulous recipe. First, you just get 2 or 3 cinnamon sticks. These are so fresh that I only need like 1½ but some of those skinny ones, you're gonna need 3. And I like to break them up and put it in because that cinnamon flavor with the beets. Oh my gosh, so good. And then it's about 3 cups of sliced fruit. I'm using orange, lemon, and lime. Can you imagine the orange juice with the beet juice? Oh my goodness. So let's just go ahead and pour this beet juice in. Be careful because it can stain everything. Okay. And then this is the apple juice. I put the apples in after the beets because I like the apple juice to push out the extra beet juice, but you can use it first and then you could have seen that this was green apple juice. You can buy, I believe, you know, just plain apple juice, but it's so nice to make your own. And lastly, ½ cup of lime juice. I like to add mango. Do I have a trick to show you? So what is the best way to slice a mango? And I have to tell you, when I put the mango chunks in here and you get a drink and you have a little of that mango flavor in there, I'm telling you guys, it is delicious. And I found the best way to peel a mango. Usually, you know, you slice on both sides. There's a big, wide seed right smack in the middle. So you want to do the narrow part just like this. And you slice, and you're going to run into that seed, but just go around it. okay, just like that. And make sure it's ripe, but not too ripe because it can be rubbery. Now, you know how you slice it this way, then you slice it this way, then you punch it open, and then you try to scoop it out? Not so easy. It's really not so easy. This is the easiest thing. Get your thin rimmed glass, and you're just gonna push it up against the flesh, separating the skin on the outside, okay? And you just come all the way down. Push with the palm of your hand. Push, push, push. And look at that, you guys. Look. Now, how easy is it to dice? Just I like smaller dice because you want people to get some of it in their mouth and not have to chew it. Just one quick little bite, and it's so delicious, and it flavors sangria in such an incredible way. You're gonna love this. You're gonna want this every day. Isn't this a beautiful mocktail? And oh, it's so delicious, and you're not gonna miss the alcohol. In fact, you're gonna have more fun with this mocktail. And I love to serve it in beautiful wine glasses and maybe with a little lime on the side, and your guests are gonna be absolutely wowed. Try it and let me know if you do, and let me know what kind of fruit you like in your sangria. Everybody, we're putting a lot of love in our food and love in our heart, and I am telling you, you're gonna have a great day every day.